Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome to another YouTube video. A little bit late today, but I'm back. So what I'm going to do today, just because there's not much movement in the market, so I don't want to cover the same things that I did yesterday and just bore you guys with repetition. I'll do this as a Litecoin and a Bitcoin video for you guys. So on the 4-hourly, we can see that this head and shoulders is actually nicely forming, okay? So you can actually see it very nicely. So this is probably it for the head and shoulders. If we come down, we will try to test this 40 EMA. 54 hour EMA, sorry guys. And we obviously got rejected from it right there at about $163. And now we're testing this 15. If we come down, that is the confirmation for that. And that will mean that we will come down. So it's not looking the best at the moment for cryptocurrencies right now, especially as Christmas is around the corner. But I guess this is also due to the US inflation reports not looking too good as well. However, on a positive note, we can still see that overall we still are in this, this little wedge type situation. So this is a bullish encounter, obviously, but with all this this head and shoulders coming out, I do think there's more bearish plays coming. Because like I said, in a bear continuous trend, bullish patterns are less likely to play out. This is a bear pattern as well, so we could see this come a lot lower. But if this crosses, then we will see a little bit of a pump, maybe to 159-ish, around these other highs that you can see. So if you want to get a quick trade, you can look for that. But I don't think that will be too much of a beneficial trade for you guys anyway. For the daily, we can just see that we're still just trending around the same levels. We just it's basically just printing that head and shoulders, like I said, where there's the shoulder, there's the head, and there's the right shoulder. So nothing new actually happening. So that's why I'm saying I want to jump straight into Bitcoin. But if you guys are interested in my trade, it's still on. USDT still here. There we go. This is obviously what I use to do my thumbnails. But the trade is still on. Whoa, why is this not working? There you go. Trade is still happening. You can see right here. I am holding this trade. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But there are very high resistances before I get stopped out, such as this coming across and these other previous highs. So I have put the stop loss in a very good place. If you guys want to do, copy that if you do want to. But yeah, for Bitcoin, let's go for the 4-hourly again. We can see the same thing, but Bitcoin's head and shoulders just looks much cleaner. Just looks like a lot more defined, and you can see that it's coming down. And then, just that it would literally test that weekly. So that weekly will be a very key support. And then if we flip it, that resistance is going to be very, very heavy on Bitcoin. So we don't want to get below that. We've already got these 4-hourlies about to bend, but we've seen here that they were going to bend here, and nothing changed. Let me just make it clear for you guys. Look, you can see that steep there, and obviously that was pushing upwards as well. But same thing happening here, so I don't think anything different is going to happen. I feel like this will just be that right shoulder, because obviously when you get a steep move for a head, obviously the EMAs have to come up in it, because there's a lot of volume in the market, and obviously it just falls back down. So it's a bit of a what can I say, tricky one to look at from a outsider's point of view. Even on the daily, we can still, let me get rid of this, we can still see everything's playing out perfectly to how we've said it. We can drag this along a bit more, and this will be our next target if we do break that weekly. So this is a lot heavier on us now as well. These EMAs, like I said yesterday, 2 days ago they were up here, and look how far they've come now. So that is going to be very, very steep resistance for us. It is already below the head of the head and shoulders. So that is about, let's see, what is that? That is at 51.5. So, like I said, that 52,000 isn't even that likely anymore either. But I do think that we still can hit 52,000. I say that simply because this head and shoulders, we can just push a bit higher. As on this hourly we've crossed, we could actually get a little test, little wick to about 52. And then just come back straight back down. Have a high right shoulder. Something like that. and just have a big drop downwards. But like I said, like Christmas is around the corner. Like I know there's still 2 weeks left, but that's nothing. That's nothing like Christmas. It should be we should be already getting a nice pump to all-time high, having a bit of kind of like new all-time high, having a bit of consolidation, and then seeing a ginormous pump again, consolidation and pump again. That's what we should be seeing. But with all the external factors of the markets happening right now, it's not looking likely at all that we're going to see a massive bull run this quarter. And I'm not saying that to scare you guys. Like, obviously, I'm long-term bullish. I've got a lot of money in cryptocurrency, but I trade it just to try and get more. And so it works for me. That's why I do these videos, of course. Like, I wouldn't do these videos if I didn't think people are looking to increase their bag. You can still see here, like, this is a rising wedge pattern. It's a broadening wedge, of course, but it's still a rising wedge pattern. And this is bearish. So if we break out of this again, the target is again here. So target will be there around the 32,000 range, 32 to 29,000 range. So there's a lot of confluence showing us that we're coming lower. So I don't know why everyone's saying it's time for Bitcoin to pump and things like that. Like, be very careful what people are telling you. Like, this head and shoulders is playing out. People aren't seeing it because this wick here is scaring them. That is still a head and shoulders. Price has still tested the neckline and it bounced upwards. It doesn't have to look perfect like it does here. Okay, remember that, guys. A big thank you to you guys watching and tuning in. If you do like these videos, please subscribe, comment, and comment Litecoin for a chance to win. But most of all, just hit that like button, guys. If you do agree with this trend analysis, it does show me that you guys appreciate it and you guys are understanding what I'm saying. The winner for the $10 today is Ezekiel. I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. You always do comment, and this time you won. So big congratulations to you for watching, and thank you for tuning in all the time and being such a loyal audience member. So yeah, post your contact address in the comment section below this video, and I will send you $10 of Litecoin soon. Thank you very much, mate, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.